So the Horseman is back along with a new batch of illusionists and magicians in the sequel of our favorite Now You See Me franchise, Now You See Me, Now You Don't. So yes, this is the third installment of the star-studded heist franchise, and the four main casts reunites in this film. Yes, Isla Fisher is back and we're so excited. So the original four horsemen, namely Danny, Merritt, Jack, and Henley, are officially back together, and they are recruiting three new illusionists and magicians to perform another heist. And mind you, itong heist na to is next level. Also, yung tatlong ni-recruit nila, Gen Z talaga. And I feel like they're the perfect mix altogether. So that is Justice Smith as Charlie, Dominic Sessa as Bosco, and Ariana Greenblatt as June. And in this film, even if like they're the youngest, marami sila naging ambag in this heist, which is so exciting. We feel like this is their most daring mission yet, as they are up against a very powerful woman, which is played by Miss Rosamund Pike, si Gone Girl. We don't want to get into details, so para hindi na kayo ma-spoil. But of course, with their mission, with their heists, it always comes with a reason that they want to make the world a better place. There are more jaw-dropping magic tricks, and yung involvement ng tatlong Gen Z illusionists and magicians, parang makaka-relate ka talaga with what we have right now, you know, with technology, AI and stuff. And please watch it closely for the details, because I tell you, talagang very surprising yung mga plot twists ng movie na to. And aside from the four horsemen, there are a lot of familiar characters that you'd be very happy to see. Guys, Now You See Me, Now You Don't is officially showing in Philippine cinemas this November 12. So please do give us a favor and watch it. It's so good.